flour and pasta. Boil for 9 minutes. It's time to turn off. Now it's time to put the butter. Put on the lid and wait until your butter melts. It's time to taste it. Look at this! Tastes so salty and good. Thanks for watching.